Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez, Mama Sigrid Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang kasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 8 hanggang March 14 for the sign up. For the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advice, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga kagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kanino energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga kagilap? So guys, kung ngayon at bubulabugin natin ang angel spirit, please give me an information po. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga kagilap? There is a 6 of Cups. A past person coming back. Na may taong babalik from the past. So there's something of reminiscence. Na may mga naaalala kayo from the past na maaaring manumbalik na ulit. Oh, talaga ba? Additional messages. And of course, this is something the 2 of Wands, no? At choices, no? Babaguhin daw yung mundong ginagalawan mo dahil sa pagpili ng bagong oportunidad na papasok sa buhay mo. Okay? Let's see, what is additional messages? Represent what? Represent what? There is a page of wands, my goodness. May magandang balita daw dito, no? Ito magandang balita na to, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng panibagong simula. There is something, a new beginning coming in for you. May mga bagay na nakaraan dito na, kumbaga, magkakaroon ng, kumbaga, closure, no? Let's see what is additional messages. Represent with a wheel of fortune, a good luck. Now, there's something destiny is yours, no? At turning back to your favor. No, maaaring ito nang iikot yung kapalaran, maaaring pumabor na sa iyong sitwasyon, at maaaring baguhin na ang guhit ng kapalaran, no? Sa iyong mga palad. So, let's see what is additional messages. Represent what? There's a to observe, there's a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon, no? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, pag-isipan na mabuti yung kailangan mong gawin, no? At kailangan mong tapusin. There's something that Three of Pentacles for collaboration or communication is the key. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate, makipag-ayos ng, or makipag-usap ng maayos, no? So, let's see what is the 6 of Cups. Represent what? So, there's something, the 9 of Wands, no? Kumbaga, there's something, a past person or either a memories or a reminiscence or a situation na nangyari from the past na kumbaga nagbigay ng burden or gusto nagbigay sa'yo ng pain. No, napakalapit mo na para makawala dyan sa bangungot na yan. There's a 2 of Wands. Represent with that Queen of Wands by confident. Lakas mo ng loob mo, maging matapang ka, no? Kailangan palaban ka dito. Let's see what is the Page of Wands. Represent with the 4 of Swords. So there's something rest. So kailangan mo na pahinga, no? Kailangan mo ipahinga yung sarili mo, yung isip mo, dahil may magandang opportunity or may magandang balita na maaaring pumasok, no? Let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. There's a Page of Swords, or there's something being curiosity. Kailangan tuklasin mo, alamin mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo, or either there's a spying, looking, watching at you. No? Maraming sumusubaybay. No? Maaaring, kumbaga, dati, no? Ikaw yung pinagtitinginan ng lahat na, kumbaga, bawat kilos galaw, napapansin, bawat kilos galaw, no, maraming nasasabi. But this is the moment na parang, kumbaga, naghahanap na ng attention mo. No? There's a 2 of Swords, represent what? There's a 6 of Swords with the transition. No, makakaalaya ka na sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. No, unti-unti mo nang papalayain yung sarili mo. Nakapag-desisyon ka na. And this is the Lovers, no? Mari, some of you guys meron ditong proposal. Some of you meron ditong kumbaga magiging live-in partner. Or some of you magkakaroon ng higher level commitment. So let's see what is the Six of Cups because the Nine of Wands. Represent with the Nine of Cups. There's something in offer. May apology. Na may hihingi talaga ng tawad from this, from the past. No? Kaya kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. No? Parang sa dami mong pinagdaanan, kumbaga tatanggapin mo ba ang sorry niya? So there's a Eight of Wands for something in past communication and past moment. Dito papasok ang pagbilis ang pagbabago ng buhay mo. No? Bibilis ang takbo ng eksena dito na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng kumpiyansa at lakas ng loob. What is the Page of Wands? Requires the Four of Swords. Represent with the Four of Cups. Reevaluate or analyze. So may mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong liwanagin. Dahil may magandang opportunity na nakalaan para sa'yo, kailangan mo lang siguraduhin na itong bagay na to, it's good and of course may benefit na maganda sa'yo. And there's a Six of Wands represented with a Wheel of Fortune and the Page of Swords, no? Maaaring magiging matagumpay ka na dito, no? Ito na yung pag-ikot ng bagong kapalaran sa iyo dahil itong bagay na to ay hindi mo pa lubos na nakikita at na kumbaga nararanasan, no? May bagong simula. A brand yung beginning. Let's see what is the Two of Swords because the Six of Swords represent what? There's an Eight of Swords. No? There's a lot of negativities and toxicities around you. So, kailangan mo mag-decision, kailangan mong kumawala at lumaya dyan, no? Sa mundo ng kumbaga negatibo or bangungot, no? Marami kang bagay na liliwanagin dyan, no? Tutuklasin dyan. So, there's a Three of Pentacles because the Lovers, represented with the Five of Pentacles reverse. Something recovery for financial loss. So, some of you guys, makaka-recover ka na about sa finances. No, magiging maayos lang yung, kumbaga, pagkakaperahan. Let's see what is the outcome. For the outcome is the Emperor, guys. So, there's a maturity. Magiging mature ka na sa lahat ng nangyari sa buhay mo ngayon. And there's a Page of Pentacles for investment. So, magiging wais ka na rin. No? How to invest your time, your effort, your love, ganon. Kumbaga, hindi ka na basta-bastang susugal. Ooh, let's see what is the additional messages. Sa madaling salita, nadala ka na. Let's see what is the additional messages. For finances and career, so, there is something, the Knight of Swords with anxiety, sleepless night. So, some of you guys, no, nag-overthink ka, no, being paranoid ka from this eksena. There's a Nine of Star card for a healing and recovery. Huwag ka mag-alala, makaka-recover ka from this financial loss, no? From this poverty, no? Unti-unti ka na makakalaya dyan sa mga utang mo. And there's a Ace of Cups. Now, there's something I love for that. No, konektado ang love life and career mo dito. No, ibig sabihin, ganun, kumbaga, marami kayong naging komplikasyon pagdating sa pag-ibig. This is the moment na maaring, kumbaga, combo siya ng love life and career na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Let's see, about naman tayo sa love life. So, there's a Four of Pentacles for protect your power, protect your energy. So, kailangang proteksyonan mo at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. And there's the Full card for a leap of faith, no? Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, there's something, a new beginning coming in for you. May bagong simula at pag-asa kapag dating sa love life. Now, let's see, additional messages tayo. And there's something that is was for a new project, no? New plan. So, magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong proyekto sa inyong dalawa, sa isa't isa. No, or either guys, na makikilala mo itong tao na to with the project. So, let's see. Additional messages about tayo sa health. So, there's something, the Three of Swords, no? There's something pain, no? Marami kang, kumbaga, marami kang mga hinaing, marami kang mga, kumbaga, marami kang kirot na naramdaman. And there's a Queen of Cups, no? Magkakaroon kang emotional dito, healing. No? Magiging mature ka na pagdating sa emosyon. And there's the King of Wands, no? Tinitignan mo na yung magiging possibilities, yung outcome, no? Yung advantage and disadvantage, no? Hindi ka na nagpapadala naman ng iyong tensyon o ng iyong emosyon. So, let's see what is the magical fire messages represent what? What is the magical fire messages represent what? Represent with the love life. See, I told you, malaking factor sa reading mo ang love life, no? This is something dietary change. So, kailangan mo rin mag-diet, no? Nagiging masyado ka ng masyubis. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And there's a compassion. Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa love life, talagang compassionate ka, diba? And there's something, Ace of Water. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. May kinalaman ka sa Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, guys. And this is something North Node with something, a purpose. Na makikita mo yung life purpose mo. Ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay mo, no? And there's a chemistry, passion, na meron talaga dito magnetic attraction sa inyong, sa isa't isa, no? Kahit puno ng komplikasyon, no? There's a soul gift and soul conflict. Ganon. Kumbaga, punong-puno kayo ng komplikasyon. But, kumbaga, nasa isang karmic relationship kayo, no? Pero kapag nakawala na kayo dyan, natapos na, unti-unti nyo na masasabi na, di ba, succeed, no? Kumbaga, magtatagumpay kayo sa buhay pag-ibig. Synchronicities represent with the imagination, no? Gamitin mo ang iyong imahinasyon para makapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas. And there's something storyteller, no? Meron ditong, kumbaga, magiging kwento na lang, no? Or maaaring, kumbaga, meron ditong magsisilbing, kumbaga guidance or kumbaga trainer or either teacher na magtuturo sa iyo, no, para malaman mo ang totoong kwento o kaganapan na mangyayari sa buhay mo. And there's a silence, no? Kailangan maging tahimik ka lang. Iwasan mo maging bongangera or iwasan mo maging chismakers, no? Or either kailangan maging tahimik ka sa lahat ng mga plano mo. Huwag kang maging marites, no? Yung parang ikukwento mo yung mga gusto mong gawin or plano mo, ganon. Kasi punong-puno ng mga inggit sa'yo. Let's see what is a romance angel represent what? Represent with addictions. Now, some of you guys, no, meron ditong addictions na nakaka-apekto with your romantic life. And there's an ex-lover. I told you, there's a something ex coming back. And there's a dating. Now, meron dito, kumaga, there's a something a new person coming in for you. And there's a something ex-lovers and between the lines. No, may mga bagay lang na nakatago para sa inyo, sa isa't isa, no? Ibig sabihin, baka pares kayo may asawa na, no, pares kayo may jowa na, tapos bigla kayo nagtagpo, nagharot, charis. May ganong scenario dito. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages, self-respect. Kailangan nyo respetuhin yung sarili nyo, ha? Huwag kayo masyadong maropok. No, there's something you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka, ha? And of course, positive thought create a positive result. Always being positive and being optimistic. Ganon. So, let's see, guys, now, what is additional messages with an angel spirit, guys? With an angel's answer represent? With a success. Now, magiging matagumpay ka. Now, at magtatagumpay ka. And this is something called promise. Now, may mga pinangako dito. No? May mga bagay na maaaring ito na yung, kumbaga, ibinigay sa yung time ng ating Panginoon na ipagkakaloob sa iyo, no? And this is something romance. No, pagdating sa love life talaga, diba, I told you, ang pangako ng poong may kapal na ibibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. Basta, if you believe, naniniwala ka sa salita ng Diyos, no? Sa pinangako mo sa ating poong may kapal. Let's see what is the romance angels represent what? And there's an attraction that you are being attracted to anyone. And there's a pay attention to the red flag. Mag-ingat ka lang with this red flag, no? Pinapaalalahan ka na you need to pay attention from this. And this is something let your friends help you, no? Hayaan mo yung mga kaibigan mong tulungan ka. No, may mga kaibigan tayong bully, yung parang ipupush tayo na, sige, ilaban mo yan, kataganyan. Hindi mo alam na, kumbaga nadadala ka ng yung emosyon, parang, diba? Iba yung atake ng kilig, eh. And there's something denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear, replace mo yan ng awareness. And there's a discipline. Kailangan mo ng disiplina sa sarili mo. Huwag kang masyadong marupok. No? Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent what? And there's an activated earth. Oh, power places. So talaga ibibigay sa yung mga bagay na para sa iyo talaga. And there's a jump in. Say yes to change. Handa ka dapat sa pagbabago. And there's something, your life is a canvas, something, a manifestation. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na siyang mamamanifest. What is the chakra message? Just represent what? And there's a victim. So, maaaring biktima ka, no? Ng sarili mong, kumbaga, himahinasyon. No? Ng sarili mong mundo, ng sarili mong, kumbaga, gustong mangyari sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, isa kang ano dito, no, you are also creations. Parang ikaw yung gumagawa ng sarili mong ikapapahamak, yung sarili mong kumbaga desisyon. Kumbaga, biktima ka ng sarili mo. No, parang ganon. Dahil nagiging marupok ka dito. Ganon siya, guys. And there's a complacency. No, dahil natatakot kang mabulok. Charis, kumbaga natatakot ka mapag-iwanan ng, or malipasan ng panahon. May ganong scenario dito. No? Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is something of premonition or prophecy. No, meron ditong baga, nasa tadhana mo at nakapala, oh my God, meron talagang kapalaran, no? Nasa guhit ng kapalaran mo. And this is something a shielding, no, grounding. Dapat alam sa sarili mong grounds mo. Diba? Kung baga sa guhit ng kapalaran mo, may babalik from the past. And there is an opportunity and awareness. Mag-iingat ka lang sa oportunidad na to. No? Dahil meron dito mamaaring niloloko ka o maaring, kumbaga, sinusubukan ka lang. Let's see what is our Kang Herapile messages. And there is a detoxification. No, kailangan mo, kumbaga, ng mga fruit and vegetable na makakapag-detoxify ng iyong toxin sa katawan. No, kung ano kasi mga pinagkakain mo. And there's an organic food. See, I told you, kailangan mo talaga ng fruit and vegetable. See, I told you, detoxification and organic foods. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. With an angel spirit represented with infinite abundance. See, magkakaroon ka talaga ng humpay na kasaganahan. Na walang humpay na kasaganahan. And there's a nutrition. See, kailangan mo talaga ng fruit and vegetables. Let's see what is the Monsology represent what? Monsology represent it's time to taking action. So, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. And don't let your past hold you back. Diba? Kailangan mong kumilos na huwag mo nang balik-balikan ng nakaraan. Oh my God, I told you. Kumbaga susubukan ng pagiging marupok mo dito. Let's see what is the energy represent what. And there's a community. No? Maaring especially with your friends. No, with your family. And this is something the guard and the gate, no? Bukas ang pintuan para sa mga bagong opportunities, and there's a caring connections na maaring about dito sa love life na maaring alagaan mo at palagaan mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. And this is something the thinking man. Meron ditong person na nag-overthink sa'yo. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quote said. A Jesus loving quote said, peace be with you as my Father sent me. So see, kumbaga sinasabi dito na bibigyan ka ng kapayapaan tulad ng kapayapaan binigay sa'yo ng ating poong may kapal. Diba? Kumbaga, bigyan mo ng kalayaan, kapayapaan ng isip mo at yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay na makakasira, no, o sisira ng mga mangyayari sa isa nakaraan. No? Parang nangyayari sa nakaraan na kumbaga binabalik-balikan pa. Tapos may mga tao ka ng mahal sa buhay na or either you having a wife or husband, tapos kumbaga may taong babalik, no? Na para i-reconcile yung situation, yung inyong pagsasama. Kumbaga iniiwasan dito na makasira ulit sa isang relasyon. So, kumbaga kailangan ang nakaraan ay nakaraan, no? Hindi nang muli dapat yung binabalik-balikan. So, this is an angel's number represented with a 10-11 with a taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos at gumalaw. There's something, a new beginning coming for you, and there's a fresh start is coming away. This is a call to action to move forward. The sooner you can get going, the sooner you will accomplish what you set out to do. Those with a patient will eventually reap the rewards for their perseverance. So see, kumbaga sinasabi dito, kumbaga kailangan mo magtiyaga sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo dahil at the end of the time, guys, na magiging matagumpay ka. No, kailangan mong kumilos at gumalaw nang sa ganon, unti-unti kang magtagumpay sa larangan na at ang kagustuhan mo kung ano man yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. Now, let's see what is additional messages. Master of life. Dito sinasabi ng messages of life na unti-unti mo mamamaster talaga anong klase, no, ano ang ikot ng kapalaran ang babaguhin at ang ikot ng kapalaran na kumaga pangahawakan mo. Na dahil may mangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi man natin control, hindi man natin kontrolado, hindi man natin alam, pero ibibigay sa ng ating pong may kapal yung pinaka-frameworks or pinaka-blueprint, no, na yun talaga yung para sa'yo talaga. I dedicate my strength to the divine with me, aligning myself with the truth, sovereign of my life. My ego step aside as listen to the inner voice, and in accordance with the truth I hear. In this way, I become the master of life. I live in binding humility, grace, and love for the glory of God. So see, sinasabi dito na binibigyan ka ng lakas ng loob na kumbaga, maging matapang, no, sa hamon ng buhay at matutong humarap sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of March 8 hanggang March 14 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading sa reading namang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig na gumamo na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!